Today's wine text is the 2012 El Molino Rutherford Pinot Noir. So we've done a Chardonnay and we did the 2013 El Molino Pinot Noir, and we are excited that it was such a massive success, especially the Pinot Noir, that we had to get another good vintage and make sure it was a great vintage to bring to you guys. So 2012, when we talk about Napa Valley, in the last 10 years, 2012, 2013 were two back-to-back vintages that'll go down as maybe the two best back-to-back in the last 30 or 40 years. And 2012, just like 2013, gets those high ratings for Cabernet Sauvignon. What does that mean for Pinot Noir? It means that they're much riper and a lot more full-bodied, and the skins were probably a little thicker, which makes the structure a little heavier. So going on 8 years on Pinot Noir, this is when they really start coming around, and this is really when they start drinking well, especially in really good vintages in Napa Valley. I think that in its youth, a lot of that red fruit that you think of Pinot Noir and cherry were there, but now going on 8 years of age, it's definitely leveled out a little bit. You're going to get a lot more of the savory, smoky, the notes that come through from the age on the bottle, along with the little bit of time that it spends in oak. This wine is really ready to go and hitting its stride right now as we speak. I think it'll still be good for the next few years, but this is a pop and pour ready style of premium wine that normally you would buy 5-6 years ago and wait till this period to drink. Stuff like that is really fun to bring to you guys, and I think being able to taste these wines in the right stage is something that is rarely done and rarely experienced by the American wine drinker. Super tasty stuff by easily one of the oldest and most well-renowned wineries in all of Napa Valley, right in your glass. Super delicious and pretty cool stuff bringing it to you. Enjoy.